James, at the end of our last conversation, you were curious about whether your various product packages could be tested using our vacuum chambers.
Yes, that's right. I need to know if my products are compatible with the vacuum chamber to help us test their airtightness effectively.
Absolutely, James. The CDV vacuum chamber is a versatile instrument suitable for a wide range of containers. It's perfect for any flexible packaging, like bags, sachets, and envelopes. It also works well with semi-rigid packaging, such as blister packs or tubes, and even rigid packaging like bottles or capped containers. We can also test pharmaceutical packaging, including vials or eye drop containers. However, for the vacuum test to function efficiently, the packaging needs to have a minimum of 5 milliliters of headspace.
I see. Some of my products are vacuum-packed. What type of tests would you recommend for these?
For vacuum-packed products, we utilize the internal pressurization method as outlined in the ASTM F2096 standard. This involves injecting air to create a pressure differential. There's a detailed video on this standard available on our YouTube channel that you might find useful.
Okay, if I understand correctly, we can almost use the device with all types of packaging.
Nearly, but there are a few conditions to consider. To perform the tests, the packaging must be airtight and made of water-resistant material, especially for immersion tests. The technique won't work with pressurized products like carbonated drinks or aerosols. Also, it's not suitable for cans as the method typically identifies very small defects which may not be detectable in such materials. It will not work with permeable packaging such as cardboard, paper, clamshell containers, or three-sided sealed bags.
Thanks for the detailed explanation. I'll share this information with my finance director. Given the benefits, I think they'll be quite interested in purchasing one. Now, how can I be assured of the reliability and accuracy of your vacuum chambers?
I have just the thing for you in our next video. Let's delve into the precision of our CDV vacuum chambers. I want to clear all your doubts, so make sure you stay tuned. I promise it will be insightful. Elevate your leak testing with our expert content. Register to access our video series and download a PDF guide that will provide you with key insights and answers to your most important questions about CDV vacuum chambers.